Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create professional photo edits with mask overlay. Start by selecting your subject and opening Select and Mask. Enable Mask Overlay to see masked areas clearly. Refine edges using the brush tool and adjust smoothing for clean transitions. Zoom in to correct imperfections and maintain realism. Apply adjustment layers to enhance color and lighting through the mask. Preview changes before finalizing. Output as a layer mask for flexibility. Professional edits rely on precise masking, so practice this workflow to elevate your image quality.